spend the day with me and die kan to me, guys, and she's Bishamanara, she's Baswalai. So yeah, we're gonna do it. She's my nigga for a reason. And I'm gonna post it. And then I'm gonna, spend the day. Sunday, it's not school tomorrow.
Yes, you know us.
But guys, the Skittle Buzz was the YouTube, yeah, and I want to do spend the day with me and dance and have fun.
Yes,
Because
yes.
my cousin, it's my cousin, yeah. Konisha Kies, go search up, but the TikTok name is Natasha. Natasha, why was that there? Why guys look? I'm not gonna show it. My account is gonna be banned.
No.
Okay, so guys, yeah. She's not here, she's at the house. She cannot come out. The exam is over, but her mother is so strict, I don't know.
Our exams are not over yet.
We walk to the shop, come show your pretzels, man.
I had a craving for these, so okay.
We walk to the shop to just buy us small, but lovely. This is how pretzels look. If you don't know how it looks. It looks like this. Stress! I'm stressed. We did plan with my cousin's dolls. Her sister's dolls. Her sister is 1 year old, but she gets 2 years old September month. Sorry. Konisha, we see that video. Please come to us, please. Please. If it's Monday, if you see it on Monday, please come. Or on any day you see it, please come to us. Please, man. Goodbye, guys. I'm so expensive. I got my ticket wrong at the shop. Her sister and a friend, Nikki. But you move. Bye, guys. My pack is not up yet. Bye, guys. Goodbye for the mountain. Bye. Het is zo stressvolle dag. Ik stress bij je vrouwen.